Hello, my name is Gabriela Macias with the project HealthLine Iot.
Hi, the name of this project is HealthLine and my name is Francisco Macias.
Okay, let's start with the demo. First of all, I would like to apologize about the watermark that is going to be in the video because we are using a trail of a tool called Movavi, a very useful tool to record our demo. And we can start with the user having a mobile application and the bracelet. The bracelet that is going to be sending the information to the service AWS IoT. In this case, we have our mobile application we built in our demo with Ionic. We will put the name of our user, Alex Power, and we will put the phone. In this case, it's my phone. We will save the information in our DynamoDB database. You can see we are having now our client ID with Alex Power and the phone number. Okay. So we will have the bracelet, but in this case, as we don't have the device, we are using a simulator, in this case, a node application that we are using based in AWS lab. Okay, we will see the code here. We are sending this information and we are running in a AWS instance. At this moment, it's already running. We can see that these values are having a variation. We are focused at this moment in hair rate, but we include a delay to have 120. That is going to be the okay. Then all this information is being received by AWS IoT, as we can see. This is our topic. And we can review that we are receiving the information here. Okay, we add 3 rules. The rule for DynamoDB is very interesting because we are sending the object and everything is being saved in the database automatically. We have the rule of kinesis. This is sending the streaming to the web application for the medical agent. And we have the third one, that is the rule lambda, that once the hair rate is detected as bigger than 70, it's going to be invoking this function. Function IoT is in charge to perform the rest of the communication. What is going to happen is that once the user be in a health bad situation, we will detect that and then we will call them to ask them automatically. We will call them through Tulio to ask them if he is okay. If he is okay, we will just don't do nothing. Okay. So the lambda functionality is checking about the hair rate if this is 120, and if the key that we put here like a prevention to don't be receiving a lot of calls by Twilio when we are doing our testing. Okay, let's see a little the code. Yeah, this is the function. So we are checking the information for the user that we previously registered. We are getting the phone number, and we are making the call using Twilio. We are using this base Twinlet to do the get, and after that we call Web API, where Web API invoke another Lambda function that is here. That is going to be detecting the key, if this is 5 or this is something else. Okay, let's execute the demo. First of all, we will put our Lambda key 100, it's okay. And then we will start running. Let's test the positive scenario just directly. See? Okay, it's here.
Please click key 5 if you are okay.
Key 5.
We are glad to hear you are all right. HealthLine Iot.
Okay, we are fine. So just the information is going to be recorded in the databases just to keep a record that that value was not an issue for this user. Next, we will test the bad scenario with the health situation. Okay, let's test the situation where our user has indeed an issue with his health. So we will start our simulator. We are expecting a call when the sensor is 120, that for us at this moment is the measure that we have that to identify that our user has a trouble with his health or health. Okay, is there? We answer.
A trial account. You can remove this
Is that
message at
the
any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to
the
execute your code.
Twilio free account.
HealthLine, please click key 5 if you are okay.
We'll click something else.
Emergency will contact you to evaluate your situation. If there is not answer, the closest medical unit will arrive to your current location. Keep calm, HealthLine Iot.
Okay, here what is going to happen is that it's expected that Twilio is going to contact our medical agent that is using our application, and then he will receive the call and will see the information, what is happening, what is the current situation, what is wrong, and will call the user again just to validate the situation because we don't want to waste the time of the ambulance. And we'll set the ambulance if needed.